night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
We're back! Back where, Winnie?
What? Isn't it obvious?
No.
We're back in the living world.
Oh, the living world!
Yes, don't you understand?
No.
We've harnessed the magic found within this kingdom to come back for but one night.
One night's all I
And we
need.
shall make it a grand night
Winnie.
of spellbinding tricks and treats.
Winnie.
A night that shall long be remembered. Hey, what is it, Mary?
I smell children.
Children,
There's so many of them, and they're all dressed funny.
You fool. But of course there are children. Tell me, dumplings, what year is it?
2022!
I said, what year is it?
2022!
Sisters, it's been 29 years since we've last returned.
We're getting better at this.
And it is All Hallows Eve, our favorite time of year.
But Winnie,
Yeah.
remember what happened on our last Halloween?
we turned to dust. Yes, dust, dust.
Do not remind me.
Sorry, Winnie.
That is why we have returned, to celebrate Halloween and throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. But we will need some help.
Oh, Sarah.
I was thinking the same thing, dear sister.
Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of magic. Here in my garden of magic. Here you go, Winnie.
Well done, Sister Sarah. I knew I kept you around for a reason. Now, let's get this party started, shall we? We will need the spell for the Hocus Pocus party potion. The spell. Sisters, hand me the spell.
What spell?
What spell? The spell I asked you to hold on to give to me at a time like this.
Oh,
Definitely not. We can't find it, Winnie.
Why have I been cursed with such sisters?
Perhaps some chocolate will cheer you up.
What is this?
Chocolate? Dark chocolate, the only candy I like.
No! This!
It's the spell!
Oh, is it? And what is it doing wrapped around Halloween chocolate?
I don't know, Winnie.
Oh, enough! We've lost enough time as it is. Sister! To the cauldron.
Meow.
Pray tell, Sister Sarah, what is the first ingredient?
Sinister shadow.
Sinister shadow.
As dark as midnight and as mysterious as the unknown.
Winnie, sinister shadows.
Hello, ladies.
There's a man lurking in the shadows, Winnie! A man!
And who are you?
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man.
Shadow man.
Now I hear y'all are in need of some sinister shadows.
Maybe.
Well, you're in luck because, ladies, I can deliver.
And what makes you think we need your help, Shadow Man?
Shake my hand. Come on, girls. Won't you shake a poor sinner's hand?
We'd love to.
Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Transformation Central. Transformation Central. Transmogrification Central. Can you feel it? You're changing, all right. I hope you're satisfied. But if you ain't, don't blame me. You can blame my friends on the other side.
Wonderful. My Hocus Pocus party potion is coming together. Thank you, Dr. Facilier.
I like him.
Focus! Mary,
Yes?
what is the next dastardly ingredient?
Ferris mares.
Ferris Mares, what is that, some kind of horse?
Wait, there was some chocolate smudged over the words.
No,
There was some chocolate
No,
there.
give me that!
Winnie, do we need to hold a calming circle?
I am calm!
Now we're not being honest with thyself. Take thy hand. Come on.
You fools! There's not enough time! The ingredient! Read me the ingredient!
Fine. Nefarious nightmares. As terrifying as the shadow on the moon at night, filling dreams to the brim with pride. Come in.
Well. What have we here?
Well, I might ask the same thing of you. What are you?
What? I'm just little old Oogie Boogie is all. You know, the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
Nefarious nightmares.
And what makes you so scary, you overstuffed potato sack?
I'm the stuff of your worst nightmares.
Well, we don't have nightmares. We cause nightmares.
You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. No matter how she tries. She's ancient. She's ugly. I don't know which is worse. I might just spit a seed now if I don't die laughing first.
What? Say that to me. He doesn't even know me.
When Mr. Oogie Boogie said there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong. 'Cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song. Well, if I'm feeling antsy and there's nothing much to do, I might just cook a special batch of snake and spider stew. And don't you know the one thing that would make it work so nice? A roly-poly sadness to add a little spice. So, believe my ears. Would someone shut this sister up? I'm drowning in my tears. It's funny. I'm laughing. You really are too much. And now, with your permission, I'm going to do my stuff.
Well, what are you gonna do?
I'm going to do the best I can. The position that you're in. It's hopeless. You're finished. You haven't got a prayer. Cause I'm Mr. Oogie Boogie. And you ain't going nowhere. Boom. Now that's what I call nefarious nightmare.
What just happened? Well, you see, I think he scared us and made our nightmares true, and then you cried. I know I cried.
I liked it.
Enough it. Thank you, Mr. Okay.
Winnie, can we please keep him around?
Sisters, it's working! My Hocus Pocus party potion is working! Quick, read me the last ingredient.
Frightful friends! Frightful friends! Frightful friends!
Now let me see it. Frightful friends who add power to the potion. After all, a party is only as good as the villains you invite. What is this?
That's actually a very nice sentiment if you think about it.
You fools! We don't have any friends.
But Winnie, we're friends.
No, we are sisters. I have to like you. Oh, this may be the end. Oh, I only want to throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. Goodbye, cool world.
My. Another party to which I wasn't invited.
Maleficent. Oh, great, honey. If we thought you would have come, we would have invited you for sure.
We're not worthy. We're not worthy.
Maleficent, you know, she's greener than I thought, and those hurts.
I'll consider it but an oversight then.
Perhaps you could help us with our Hocus Pocus party potion to help throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom's ever seen.
Perhaps.
We were wondering, Your Excellency, if you could help us with the last ingredient.
And that would be.
Oh, frightful friends! Frightful friends!
Lore and legend are full of villainous feelings. I suppose for such an occasion, I could conjure a few.
I knew we would see eye to eye.
Listen well, all of you. If it is frightful friends that you request, each incantation calls forth a guest. Come now, O Queen, by power and right, bring poison apples and give us a fright.
Poison apple.
From the underworld's ungodly domain, we call forth its ruler of death and disdain.
Thanks,
Come and inspire with devious plots, a desire for furs all covered in spots. Impress us, O pirate, from a faraway land. Strike fear in our hearts with a hook or a hand.
Ticking clock.
We invite and compel here a slithering snake with a sorcerer's power to give but not take.
Scatter beetle.
Enter, good lady, by thee we are graced. Though manners be proper, they are but two-faced.
Golden bee. Oh, so many frightful friends in one place.
Is this what it feels like to be popular?
I guess.
It's working. It's almost complete. We're just missing one last ingredient, the hair of an innocent. No, none of you.
Little children, I'll take me away.
I'll be taking this. Thank you. My Hocus Pocus party potion is complete. It's time to party.
But Winnie,
Yeah.
what about them?
Leave our not so scary friends to me.
Okay.
I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I ain't lying. Oh, it's been 300 years. I say into pie, or maybe I can die. Sing! Yes, I say into pie, or maybe I can die. I say into pie, or maybe I can die. It's Hamakoyama. Hey, I say we shall go. Maybe I can die. Yeah. In California, I say Now, wasn't that fun? Yes. Go home, party, run amok. And thank you, frightful friends, Your Highness, Lady Funny, whoever, Jafar, slither about. Okay, boy, Doctor, sisters, we shall fly.
We didn't bring our proof.
Then we shall walk.